How are you all? All are fine. My dear students, me also fine. So welcome back to our online class. This is your MSc class and this is your MSc book. Understood all of you? So my dear students, open your MSc conversation card. You know what is the date today? Today is 3rd August, lecture number 17, subject MSc, question number 9 to 18. Understood all of you? Page number 17, question number 9 to 18 will come in your half-yearly exam, my dear students. Question number 9 is, what did God make in the sea? You know very well, God made fishes in the sea. Understood all of you? Question number 10 is, what did God make on the land? God made man, animal, birds and plants on the land. Understood all of you? Question number 11 is, why did God make all these things? God made all these things to make us happy. Understood all of you? Question number 12 is, what is the God's greatest gift for you? My life is God's greatest gift for me. Hope you are learning the question answer at home. Question number 13 is, how must you use God gifts? I must use God gifts in the right way. Understood all of you? I must use God's gift in the right way. Question number 14 is, why did God give you eyes? Answer is, God gave me eyes to see. Question number 15 is, why did God give you ears? Answer is, God gave me ears to hear. Hope you understood very well. Question number 16, so many times I am revising this question, so you have to learn well. Okay, dear students, why did God give you tongue? God gave me tongue to speak the truth. Question number 17 is, say a prayer for God gift. Oh God, I thank you for your all gift. I thank you for my parents and teachers. I thank you for my brother, sister and friends. I thank you for this beautiful bird and all the things in it. Understood all of you? Question number 18 is, what is sin? Sin is going away from God. My dear students, hope you learn this question answer very well. From page number 17 to 19 will come the question answer 9 to 18 in your first term. Understood all of you? So, join the classes also regularly and watch the YouTube videos. Meet you soon. My dear students, take care. Bye bye.